U.S. Parents Involved in Education has developed a game-changing blueprint to establish state control of education. This visionary initiative aims to restore state sovereignty, enhance student learning, and safeguard parental rights. Our blueprint challenges the influence of the U.S. Department of Education, criticized for financial coercion and mandates that may not truly serve our children. Here are 4 steps. Step 1. Analyze education funds from federal, state, and local sources. Step 2. Conduct a comprehensive cost of compliance study. Step 3. Identify state programs to replace existing U.S. Department of Education initiatives with active involvement from parents and communities. And Step 4. Shift the responsibility of education revenue back to the state. Join us next week for more insights from U.S. Parents Involved in Education. Visit USPIE.org or connect with us at USPIE on Facebook and Twitter.